What's up, my beautiful, healthy people? It's Elmira again, always helping you become a self-care boss. Today, we are going to do some simple movements. I am your licensed massage therapist, your spirit worker, your body worker. I do all of that holistically. I'm going to show you some movement you can do outside in the sun, utilizing your deck. A lot of time it's involving jumping. Jumping is one of those things that activates your lymph system, your circulatory system, your excretory system, all of those systems, and you don't need a lot to do it. I'm out here on the deck on the different planks, and jumping can just be simple jumping jacks, or you can take two of the planks and widen your feet each time. Like I have my feet close here, jump, 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 then go in, jump, jump, jump. Just jump, jump, jump. Get with it. Jump, jump, jump. Twist it, twist, and twist, and twist. Other side. Twist, and twist, and twist. Jump, 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 jump. Just jump in a variety of ways. Move it and move it. Jump is the best movement you can do. Crisscross. You know, as I said in a previous video, you have to be like a child. Some of y'all have gotten so stuck in your adult ways that you don't have a sense of imagination. You don't have a sense of freedom. You're just living life under the control of somebody else. You are a self-care boss. Jumping and dancing is one of the best things you can do for your body today. I want to you got to tell me, what have you done to move today? What have you done to become a self-care boss? You cannot just sit around, be lazy, let the muscles dry up. These muscles need movement. Until next time, remember, you can get one of my ebooks or contact me for a massage. Remember, I do hands-on massage as well as virtual sessions. Until next time, y'all make it a relaxing day. Bye.